Welcome to Asimcode. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, I'm going to explain how to run those files to send files with Python code and to receive file with the Python code. On our Linux terminal, we can just go to the directory where your script is. I'm gonna do ls, and this will be our receive file, and this is our send file. So I'm just gonna copy the name of that script and I'll use Python 3 and just paste it over here and hit enter, and our server is started. I will do the same on the other terminal, and here I'm just gonna do send file, and I'm just gonna type in Python 3 and paste off the script, which will this should be receive file. So this will be receive file. This terminal we are running send file, and I have this myfile.txt which will be sent. It is in our code. So on this one, I just use the name for the receive file script, and I'm just gonna hit enter, and you can see over here the message coming. And on the server side, we have that text file printed. So we are going to look into that text file. This is the receive file name. So I'm just gonna do more, and hit enter, and we got that file from our server. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asimcode, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.